Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're doing an exciting video because it's an unboxing video, and I actually haven't had any like type of beauty, box subscription kind of thing. So today we are featuring Fab Fit Fun, and I'm super excited because this box looks ginormous. And with Fab Fit Fun, it is seasonal, so it's not like a monthly thing. It's like a seasonal thing, so you get 4 boxes a year. And this is the fall box, so it's like stepping into fall, pumpkin spice latte kind of thing. Super exciting because my birthday is in fall, and just very excited because fall is my favorite season. So here is the humongous box here, super big. I'm gonna open it up because I'm excited to see what's in it. Whew. All right guys, so of course with every like subscription kind of thing you get all of these pamphlets and stuff, like information. I'll take a look at these later. Oh look, we get an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. You get to try it out, and I actually do want to try out HelloFresh, so we're gonna see. We're gonna look into that. Here we have the Fab Fit Fun magazine. Okay, interesting. Look at this beauty on the cover. And in here they literally have every single product detailed, and I really like that. It kind of reminds me of like Avon, like back in the day. But yeah, it shows you each product and the description of the product. But I'm just too excited, so I'm just gonna dig in and just randomly pick out things because they look humongous. Here we have the Human and Kind vegan and cruelty-free body souffle. Super awesome. This is perfect for sensitive skin, I'm sure, and it just looks super good for sensitive skin, suitable for vegans, paraben-free, no animal testing, and natural. And honestly guys, my son's skin is so dry and sensitive, so I might want, to give this to him because his skin is just very dry and sensitive, and this looks like an interesting product. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oof. And let's just check out the texture of it. It's very, I kind of like this. Let's see. It smells so clean and just light and fresh. No crazy scent, and it just feels very moisturizing and refreshing. Like, it feels kind of cooling to the body, and I know my son's gonna love this, so I'm super excited that he's gonna have his own body moisturizer now because he always wants to take mine. Ooh, what do we have here? Juice Cleanse Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. So this is actually for your body. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended to use twice a week. Extra pampering. And honestly, you guys, these look so cute. Like, look how pretty and just simple. They just look delicious. It looks like candy actually. So I'm super excited to try this out, and I might actually save the cute little jar because it's clear. You can store things in it, so that's a plus for me because I like cute little jars. So here we have a mini eye essentials with a brow pencil, shadow crayon, and eye pencil. They're actually little miniature brow pencils and eyeliners, and look how cute the packaging is. Wow, these are like really cute. Oh my gosh, this is the actual top of the product. It looks like a pencil, and it's actually a top. Super cute. This color is so pretty. It's like a champagne pearl color. And then this black eyeliner. I've actually been on the hunt for a little tiny black eyeliner that I can just throw in my bag, and this is super cute and miniature. I'm obsessed with this. Can't wait to try those out. It's a nice size, and it says deep relax. So let's smell it. I'm gonna rub it on my hand a little bit. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, that smells really nice. It smells very, I don't know, like homey type of thing. I just like it. I like this. Kind of smells like very natural and fresh, but very green, like that. I'm definitely gonna be using this right before bed because it says it's meant to relax, and normally I spray myself with perfume before I go to sleep anyway. Right after the shower, I moisturize my body and then I'll spray some perfume, but you can definitely use a roller ball because it does say that it is to relax, so that's perfect. Here we have, these are cute. They're ear crawlers, and look how cute they are. I'm like super obsessed with these. I can actually wear them this weekend because I really like the style of it. And I just love ear crawlers, so this is really fun, you guys. These are complexion perfecting pads for the face, and this is a really humongous jar and humongous pads actually. It smells like skincare. There are 60 pads in here, and they do have like glycolic acid, lactic acid, and a whole bunch of goodies, witch hazel for the skin. So I'm gonna try these out. Super exciting because I just love skincare, and this has skincare in it, so that's very fun. Here we have Innovata Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair, protects from heat styling, so that's fun. It says shake well, work a small amount of product into the hands, apply through damp hair and comb to distribute, and you do not rinse it out. So it is a leave-in treatment, and it's perfect for protecting your hair from any heat, which is great because I actually don't have any type of heat protectant for my hair, and I actually love Aveda products, so we're gonna try this out for the hair. Super excited because I love hair products as well, and I'm not a really big hair product person. Like if I find something that I love, I kind of stick to it, but I'm super excited to try this out because I've never tried it, so super exciting. And this is like full-size product. Amazing. Oh my gosh, what is this? I don't know what this is, but it's big and it has a cord. So Amika. Oh my gosh, I love Amika. Amika's fun colors. Oh my gosh, this is like a curling iron or something. It's a straightening iron. Look at this color. Ooh, you guys. Look how pretty this color is. Oh my gosh. Feels so nice. I want to straighten my hair now. I can actually use my heat protectant to straighten my hair. This is a freaking straightening iron in this box. What? Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Like, I want to nail polish this color. Straighten my hair. I'll probably feature this in a video just to see how it works, because why not? It does have a little wheel here for the temperature. It goes up to 450, which is incredible, and then just an on and off switch. And of course it says Amika right here, and it gives you the little light when it's on and off. But it's just a nice cute straightening iron that you can actually curl your hair with because of the curve. So that's exciting. I do have a coupon code for you guys, Danna10. You got $10 off your first box, which is pretty cool. And you guys can always check out Fab Fit Fun in the description. I really love this box because I'm literally able to use every single product that comes in the box. There's times where you get products and you don't even use them and they just sit there, but I'm literally going to use every single product. And I'm super excited for the straightening iron. I love the detox pads and the lotion. I'm gonna give it to my son because he's super dry and super sensitive, and I love that it's very natural ingredients. The earrings, of course, you guys know that they're super cute. Roller ball to go to sleep. And then, of course, the heat protectant, the eyeliners, and then the body exfoliators, which are these little guys, and they literally look like candy. And I think that's all in the box. That's it. Super excited that I got a straightening iron. I mean, like, that's insane. And I wish I could straighten my hair, but it's like in a bun with a lot of hairspray. So not today. But if you guys want to see a video of me trying this out and testing out this heat protectant, because I mean, damage remedy, yes please, because my hair is super dry and fall is coming around the corner, so we need these good fall products, which this is perfect. If you want to check out Fab Fit Fun, link is down below. You get $10 off. Just use code Danna10. I'll put it down below for you guys as well. Super exciting stuff. And that is it for this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.